The project name is Wireless Power Generation for Remote Villages. We know that it is difficult to transmit power to the hilly areas where only few huts or homes are located. So we have developed a small project using a Tesla coil, a high voltage coil. We are able to transmit power from a distant location to the hill homes. Now let us see the various parts in it. This is a Tesla coil, and this is the switching unit or the oscillating unit, and this is the power adapter. We have to connect the power adapter in the main supply so that it is powered using a 12 volts adapter. Now this will generate high voltages, and these voltages will generate electromagnetic waves. These electromagnetic waves will be received by this kind of receivers, and at the other end of the receiver small bulbs are provided. Now this is how we provide power to remote villages. There is a small switch here. Do not operate this switch. It has to be always in a depressed state in order for this to operational. When the circuit is working, there is a blue light will be reflected in this pole.